Welcome everyone, I'm Bill Rogers. I'm an associate family lawyer at Russell Alexander Collaborative Family Lawyers. We help families with separation and divorce, and we upload videos about current family law cases and other interesting aspects of family law. So without further ado, let's get into today's topic. A woman in a polyamorous relationship has been named second mom to the child. These days, there is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to families. This notion is solidified by a British Columbia ruling confirming that under Canadian law, it's possible for a child to have 3 legal parents instead of only 2. And the British Columbia woman was part of a 3-member polyamorous family since 2017. It consisted of her, another woman, and a man who all lived together in a committed relationship known in the polyamory community as a triad. It was an arrangement where they each had relationships with one another that were all considered equal. In the fall of 2018, 2 members of the family, the man and one of the women, had their first child together. And the son was conceived in the customary fashion through sexual intercourse. And the man and woman were listed as the biological parents upon the child's birth. Under BC's Family Law Act, they were considered the only legal parents who were entitled to be listed on the boy's registration. However, the 3 of them agreed amongst themselves that although technically she had no biological connection to the boy, the other woman would be involved in his life as a full parent. And indeed, she played a very active role in preparing for his birth and went so far as to induce lactation so that she would be able to feed the infant boy when he was born. And she was the first one to do so immediately after his birth. If you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. The woman eventually decided to formalize her role in the family and brought a court application to be legally declared as the boy's 3rd legal parent, his second mom, so to speak. And her application was successful, or if it was, she would also be entitled to be added to his birth certificate. And it was successful. And in hearing the unusual claim, the judge noted that the BC Family Law Act currently has a gap since it does not cover or contemplate how to deal with children conceived through sexual intercourse who might nonetheless have more than 2 parents. And as the judge put it succinctly, the legislature did not contemplate polygamous families in the context of parentage. Despite that legislative omission, in this particular case, the judge could address the oversight by exercising her parens patriae jurisdiction to declare that this woman, although technically not biologically related, was nonetheless a second mother to the child and had legal rights as his parent. And the judge ruled that it was in the child's best interest to have all his parents legally recognized as such. Within the limits of her jurisdiction, the judge was eager to make the parentage declaration and thereby recognize the second mom status to ensure that there was no inequity in connection with the roles and impact of the 3 adult members of the family in the child's life. Plus, the child could enjoy certain statutory and other benefits if he was declared to have a second mother, such as being added to her employer's extended health plan. Although this type of case is uncommon, the judge noted that it was a refreshing change from the many decisions that came before her in which a parent is trying to shirk his or her parental responsibilities instead of securing them. And the judge added, a declaration of parentage is a lifelong, immutable declaration of status and the rights and responsibilities that come along with that status. And this is actually not the first Canadian case of its kind. It's only the most recent. In 2018, there was a similar ruling in Newfoundland in which 3 members of a polyamorous family successfully brought an application to have all 3 of them listed on their child's birth certificate. Now, decisions like these ones herald a growing recognition by Canadian courts, if not yet by the respective legislatures, that the modern family comes in all shapes and sizes. To learn more about this case, you can read the full article linked in the description below. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know. You can also leave your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.